The presidents of the 5 Ateneo universities across the country slammed members of the House of Representatives for railroading moves to amend the Constitution. The statement was signed by Father Karel San Juan of Ateneo de Zamboanga, Father Joel Tabora of Ateneo de Davao, Father Jet Villarin of the Ateneo de Manila, Father Roberto Rivera of Ateneo de Naga, and Father Roberto Yap of Ateneo de Cagayan. The heads of the Ateneo schools note 3 troubling features of the resolution. First, it removed political reforms such as the proposed anti-dynasty law and the need for a clear political party reform agenda. Second, it removed term limits for congressmen, senators, and local government officials. Third, it removed Article 13 of the Constitution, which recognized social justice and human rights as the highest priority of the state when enacting laws that would benefit Filipinos. Ateneo presidents call on lawmakers to consult all sectors so that trust would be established when instituting reforms to the country's basic law. Former FBI Director James Comey lashes out at US President Donald Trump for telling lies and undermining the rule of law.
So another day of Hillary Clinton's emails and the Steele dossier. This while the President of the United States is lying about the FBI, attacking the FBI, and attacking the rule of law in this country. How does that make any sense at all?
Comey also urges Republicans to stand up to the president.
Republicans used to understand that the actions of a president matter, the words of a president matter, the rule of law matters, and the truth matters. Where are those Republicans today?
This comes in the wake of Trump's anti-FBI tweets over the past week, alleging it abused its powers in probing his former personal lawyer Michael Cohen and his former national security advisor Michael Flynn. Cohen and Flynn are both convicted for various crimes and have both offered evidence potentially damaging to their former boss. Colin Kroll, the CEO and co-founder of high-profile apps HQ Trivia and Vine, dies. He was 34. Kroll was found dead in his apartment in New York City. The New York Times reports police officers found what appeared to be cocaine and heroin in the apartment. Kroll co-founded Vine in 2012, which gained popularity for its content format that limited videos to just 6 seconds. Just a few months after being founded, Twitter acquired Vine for $30 million, but was eventually discontinued in December 2016. After the acquisition, Kroll worked for Twitter for 2 years before he was dismissed for poor management skills. 3 years after, he co-founded a hit app called HQ Trivia.